Hello, my wonderful people, my viewers, my fashion lover, amazing people. I want to welcome you back again to this wonderful channel, GO Fashion Home. I want to say thank you for always coming to this channel. I appreciate you all. Also thank you for your comments. I also appreciate you. Please, if you are a first timer, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Go to the red button below the video and subscribe. Thank you for always coming here. This channel is all about fashion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it's the only way to help this channel to grow. Just like it. They are not collecting a dime from your account. It is free. This channel is speaking of different types of Ankara short gown with balloon sleeves. As you can see, the styles are speaking for itself. They are all wonderfully made, beautiful, with different types of styles. With big balloon hand, small balloon hand with long sleeve, double balloon, the one that has opening at the hand. They are wonderfully made. Please don't forget to go watch through the beginning of this video to the end. And I believe before you watch from the beginning to the end, you must surely make a choice. Make choice of 1 or 2, 3, 4 choice that will please you, that you like. And whenever you come across anyone you like, please don't forget to screenshot it. I believe after watching this video, you will like it, you will appreciate it. And please make sure you share it with your friends and well-wishers, fashion lovers, people that love fashion. Invite your friends, invite your family members, invite your relations to this wonderful channel to come and make choice of theirs in this channel. I believe they will also fall in love with this channel because this channel is wonderfully made. I also want to appreciate our fashion designers out there. You guys are doing wonders. You guys are doing great. I give you all kudos. Keep it up. I also want to appreciate our viewers. Make sure anyone you love, that your Ankara that you are keeping in your box, looking for where to get style, you give it to a nice tailor that will give you exactly what you want. You can even use it to sew top with balloon hand that you can wear with trouser. You can wear it with skirts that you can rock to church. It is a simple wear. You can go to church with it. You can go to party. You can go to school. You can go to market. You can go to travel out with it to anywhere with these wonderful styles. And I believe people, as you are rocking it, people will like it. And people will ask you where you got these styles from. Don't forget to direct them to the right channel. Don't forget to direct them to this place. Only please subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and give it a like. Share it to your wonderful people. Share it to your lovely ones. Share it to people that loves fashion. People that knows everything about fashion. People that appreciate fashion. People that will see it and say, yes, this is what I want. I know after watching this video, you will never regret coming to this channel. I hope seeing you back to this channel again. Thank you very much as you watch from the beginning to the end. Thank you for always depending on this channel. I also invite you back again to this channel so that you see our video when next we upload it. Thank you. I appreciate you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I love you all.